What if I told you you could take an idea from inside your head and turn it into a fully functional app with real front-end, back-end, database, deployment, everything in the time it takes to make a cup of coffee? Not a mock-up, not a pretty prototype, but an actual working product you can ship. Today, we're diving into a tool that claims it can do exactly that. Welcome to the world of Ideavo AI, an AI-powered full-stack builder that's trying to redefine how founders, solopreneurs, and devs bring ideas to life. And trust me, some of the things it does feel unreal. Ideavo AI calls itself an AI-powered full-stack builder, but that doesn't really capture what it does. But unlike many tools that only generate visuals or code snippets, Ideavo tries to become your end-to-end product builder. The moment you open it, you get two modes. One for validating your idea, and the second for actually generating the full application. And both modes work together in a surprisingly structured way. The first mode, idea validation, feels a lot like sitting down with an experienced product manager or startup mentor. You describe the app you want to create. It could be something simple like a habit tracker or something more complex like a marketplace. And instead of just summarizing your idea, Ideavo starts breaking it down. It analyzes the audience, the technical feasibility, suggests a roadmap, identifies core features and future upgrades, and even advises which features should be in the MVP. This part is surprisingly helpful for people who tend to overthink or underplan their product. It forces clarity before the build even begins. Of course, the first question everyone will ask is, how good is the code? And here's the honest answer. The code is good enough for MVPs, startups, prototypes, and small to medium level apps. It's clean, readable, and structured. But if you're building something massive like a banking system or a billion-user social platform, you'll still need developers to refine, optimize, and extend it. Ideavo isn't replacing senior developers, but it absolutely accelerates the creation process, especially for solopreneurs and indie makers. When you first land on the Ideavo.ai dashboard, this is exactly what you'll see. The interface is dark, modern, and extremely minimal, which immediately gives that premium AI builder feel. Right at the center, the platform shows you its promise in bold text. Build real apps, not prototypes. This is important because Ideavo isn't just here to create mock-ups or concepts, it's designed to generate full working applications. Just below that headline, you'll notice a set of small feature tags. These highlight what Ideavo offers: transparent pricing, an agent mode where the AI works like a developer, full-stack app creation, and the ability to ship real-world products. It's basically telling you right away what the platform specializes in without making you click around. Now, the main area you'll interact with is the prompt box. This is where you describe the app you want to build. It could be anything: a fitness tracker, a marketplace, a finance dashboard, literally any app idea you have. Think of this box as your starting point, where a simple sentence can turn into a full project. For this demo, I'll type something like, create a task management app with user login, task categories, and deadline reminders. That's all you need to begin. No coding, no complicated steps. Just describe your idea in plain English, and Ideavo will start structuring the entire application for you. Once you're ready, you can also click the Watch Demo button below to see how the process works in real time. The real magic of Ideavo AI is who it's meant for. If you're a student who wants to build an app but doesn't know where to start, this tool gives you structure. If you're an entrepreneur who keeps thinking of app ideas but never gets to building them, this removes the technical barrier. If you're a developer tired of writing boilerplate code, you can use Ideavo to build the foundation and then focus on refinement. And if you're an indie hacker who wants to ship projects fast, Ideavo becomes your shortcut to launching more ideas in less time. And here's the fascinating part: as AI tools continue evolving, platforms like Ideavo might become standard. We may soon see a future where an idea at night can turn into a prototype the next morning. A future where development time goes from months to days. A future where your creativity and speed of execution matter more than technical limitations. Ideavo feels like an early version of that future. So the big question is, should you use Ideavo AI? If you're building an MVP, absolutely. If you want to test multiple startup ideas quickly, yes. If you're someone who wants to learn how apps are structured, or even study generated code. Before we wrap up, here's my personal take. Tools like Ideavo are not here to replace developers. They're here to empower creators. They help you move from idea paralysis to rapid execution. Thank you for watching today's episode on AI LedgerX. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what app idea you'd build using Ideavo. Who knows, maybe I'll make a tutorial on it for this channel. The future of creation is changing fast, and we're here to explore it, one tool at a time.